We're going to try factoring again. We're going to try with some slightly harder problems. Again, I'm going to look at my factors of 80. I need two numbers that multiply together to give me 80, that add together to give me 2. Let's start with my factors of 80. I have 1 and 80. I have 2 and 40. 3 doesn't work. I have 4 and 20. I have 5 and 16. 7 doesn't work. 8 and 10. 9 doesn't work. And now notice how I'm looping back up to 10, so I'm done. There are no more unique factors. Now, this is where it changes a little bit. I have a negative sign here. When this is a difference, my signs have to be different. Now, which one is which? Well, I look at this sign. Because this is a negative, the bigger number will be negative. I'm going to go ahead and add a negative sign to all of these. Now, when I add them together, I get negative 79, negative 38, negative 16, negative 11, and negative 2. This will be our factored numbers. Like last time, because this is a coefficient of 1, I can do x, and it doesn't matter the order I put, x minus 10, and x plus 8. This is my factored form. Let's go ahead and try another one, slightly different. Just like last time, I'm going to have my factors of 8 here. 1 and 8, 2 and 4, and that's it. The difference here is this is now again positive like our previous video, but this is negative. So when this is a sum, they have the same signs. And this determines what the sign is. So they're all negatives. When I add them together, I have negative 1 plus negative 8. It's going to give me negative 9. Negative 2 plus negative 4. It's negative 6. X minus 2. And x minus 4. One more time. I'm going to look at my final number. I need two numbers that multiply together to give me negative 54. I'm going to write out my factors of 54. 1 and 54. 2 and 27. 3 and 18. 4 doesn't work. 5 doesn't work. 6 and 9. Now I notice that this is a negative sign. When it's a difference, we need different signs, and the bigger one needs to be positive. I'm going to go ahead and make the smaller ones negative for each of these. And when I go ahead and add, I'm going to get 53, 25, 15, and 3. This being our correct form. Again, it doesn't matter which order I put them in, just as long as 18 is positive and 3 is negative. You don't need to write these out every time, but I find when you're first factoring, this helps a lot.